Welcome you all to our new series of Java and OOP lectures. I suppose you don't have any previous knowledge, so I am going to start from the very beginning. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Please follow all the videos of this series and hope you will become an expert in Java and OOP. Let's go to the tutorial. What is Java? Java is a cross-platform, object-oriented programming language. Then the problem came from what is cross-platform? This means that Java works on multiple operating systems or devices, which are often referred to as platforms. A platform means an operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and so on. Java works well on these platforms. Java released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Today, Java is needed to run various applications such as games, social media applications, audio, video applications, and so on. Java was initially released in 1995, and this is the person who developed the Java named James Coslin. Java has three versions. One is Java SE, Java Standard Edition, Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition, Java ME, Java Millennium Edition. The first one is Java SE or Standard Edition. When most people think of the Java programming language, they think of the Java SE Standard Edition APIs. Java SE APIs provides a core functionality of Java programming language. It defines everything from basic types and objects of the Java programming language to high-level classes that are used for networking, security, database access, graphical user interface development, and XML parsing. In addition to the core API of the Java SE platform, also consists of virtual machines, development tools, deployment technologies, and other class libraries and toolkits commonly used in Java technology applications. The next one is Java EE or Java Enterprise Edition. The Java Enterprise Edition platform builds on the top of the Java SE Standard Edition platform. The Java Enterprise Edition platform provides an API and runtime environment for developing and running large-scale, multi-threaded, scalable, reliable, and secure network applications. Java ME or Java Millennium Edition provides an API and a small footprint for virtual machines for running Java programming language applications on small devices like mobile phones. The API is a subset of the Java SE API along with special class libraries useful for small device application development. Java ME Millennium Edition applications are often clients of Java Enterprise Edition platform services. This is the link of the official website of the Java. There are several features of Java. Java is an object-oriented language. We will discuss more about this later. Then Java is a platform-independent. Platform-independent language means that once you compiled, you can execute the program on any platform. Java compiler converts your source code into bytecode, which is an intermediate language. Bytecode can be executed on any platform using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java is simple, secure, and portable. As well, then Java is a robust because it is highly supported language. It is portable across many operating systems. Java also has feature of automatic memory management and garbage collection. Strong type checking mechanisms of Java also helps in making it robust. Java is a multi-threaded programming language, which means we can develop multi-threaded program using Java. Each of the thread can run in parallel. Java can be considered both a compiled and interpreted language because its source code is first compiled to binary bytecode. This bytecode runs on Java Virtual Machine, which is usually a software-based interpreter. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted programming languages because Java bytecode is close to the native code. It is still a little bit slower than compiled languages like C++, but Java is an interpreted language. That is why it is slower than compiled languages such as C, C++, and so on. Java is one of the popular programming language having large number of applications. Desktop GUI application is one among them. Desktop applications can easily be developed using Java. Java also provides graphical user interface development capabilities through various means, mainly abstract windowing toolkit, swinging, and JavaFX. While abstract windowing toolkit holds a number of pre-assembled components like menus, lists, buttons, and so on. Swing is a GUI widget toolkit. It provides certain advanced elements like trees, crosspanes, tables, tab panels, and lists, and so on. Mobile applications. Java is considered as the official programming language for mobile app development. It is compatible with software such as Android Studio and Kotlin. With Java and its OOP principles, it provides better security and easy of simplicity with Android. Another one is web application development. Java is also used to develop web applications. It provides vast support for web applications through servlets or JSPs. With the help of these technologies, you can develop any kind of web applications that you require. The easy coding and high security offered by this programming language allows the development of a large number of applications for fields such as health, social security, education, insurance, and so many other things. Another field is enterprise application developments. Java is the first choice of many software developers for writing applications, and Java Enterprise Edition is very popular platform that provides APIs and runtime environments for scripting. It also includes network applications and web services. Java Enterprise Edition also considers as the backbone for a variety of banking applications, which has the Java running on the UI and backend server. Then what is OOP? OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. What is Object Oriented Programming? Actually, it is a computer programming model that organizes software design around data or objects rather than functions and logics. An object can be defined as a data field that has unique attributes and behavior. As this is a brief introduction, we will discuss it more later. There are several kinds of programming techniques: unstructured, procedural, modular structured, object-oriented programming. The first one is unstructured. Usually people start to learn a programming language by writing small sample of programs that consist mainly on one main program. Here the term main program stands for a sequence of command statements which modify global data throughout the whole program. Unstructured programming techniques provide tremendous disadvantage once the programmer gets sufficiently large. For example, if some statement sequence is needed at different locations within the program, the same sequence of statements must be repeatedly copied to new locations. It is a bad of the unstructured program. The next one is procedural. The natural improvement of the unstructured programming technique was the introduction of the procedural programming techniques. In such techniques, a sequence of instructions used to perform specific tasks are grouped together and then called a program. The main program directly operates on global data needed. The grouping of such instructions is called a procedure. The next one is modular or structured. In procedural programming, a single program is divided into smaller pieces called procedures to enable usage of general procedures or groups of procedures in other programs such as procedures must be separately available. Modular programming allows the grouping of procedures into what it is known as modules. With modular programming, procedures of common functionality are grouped together into separate modules. A program therefore no longer consists of one single part rather than is now divided into several smaller parts which interact with each other through procedure calls. Each module can have its own data. This allows each module to manage its own internal states that is modified by calls to procedure of this module. However, there is only one state per module and each module exists at most one in the whole program. The next one which we used here is OOP. Due to the problems with the former techniques of programming, especially when a program gets large, the object-oriented programming was introduced as a new programming techniques. Many object-oriented programming languages were implemented and introduced for these techniques. However, C++ was the most popular and powerful truly object-oriented language that were introduced. OOP has several features such as class, attributes, methods, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and so many other things. These are the fundamentals and we will discuss these topics vastly. There are several advantages in OOP. The first one is improved software development and productivity. In object-oriented programming is a modular as it provides a separation of duties in object-based program development. Each object exists independently. Objects can also be reused within across applications. Because of these three factors, modularity, extensibility, and reusability, object-oriented programming provides improved software development productivity over traditional procedure-based programming techniques. Improved software maintainability is the next one. For the reasons mentioned previously, object-oriented software is also easier to maintain. Since the design is modular, part of the system can be updated in case of issues without a need to make a large-scale changes. Another advantage is faster development because it reuse enables the faster development. Object-oriented programming language comes with a rich libraries of objects and code developed during projects is also reusable in future projects. Lower cost of development is another advantage. The reuse of software also lowers the cost of development. Typically, more effort is put into the object-oriented analysis and design, which lowers the overall cost of development. Higher quality software, faster development of software, and lower cost of development allows more time and resources to be used in the verification of software, although quality is depends upon the experience of teams. Object-oriented programming tends to result in higher quality software. These are some situations where OOP can be applied. There are tons of more examples as well. Thank you all for watching this video and hope you get a better understanding and watch all our video series which will be uploaded. If you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and see you in next video.